guys, it's Chad again at A&A Center Trailers. I'm going to take a minute to walk around one of our metal car haulers. This one comes equipped with a winch that we actually installed. Of course, we can install one of these on any of our car haulers that we have. This is a 20-foot metal floor. It's got 3,500 pound axles, 15-inch wheels and tires, brakes on all four wheels. Yeah, stake pockets down the side for tie downs. Like I said, this has our Apex 12,000 pound winch. Walk back here, you have your slide in 5-foot ramps. They slide out the side, hook them up on the back and roll your car up. Of course, all of our trailers come DOT ready with blinkers, running lights, and brakes. If you'd like to know anything else about this trailer or anything else that we have, feel free to call us at 770-603-8511 or check out our website at www.aacenter.net.